In this video, we'll guide you through how to replace an instant hot water tank. The process should take approximately 30 minutes. Before you begin, ensure the tank is unplugged and the power supply is switched off. Allow the tank to cool fully before handling. Turn off the water. You'll need the following: long nose pliers or standard pliers for securing pinch clips, an adjustable spanner for the inlet hose connection, a soft cloth for cleaning and drying components, the Instant Hot Tank 9.313253BL. Start by loosening the pinch clip that is securing the silicone tube at the top of the tank using pliers. Once released, remove the tube and set it aside. Next, unscrew the inlet hose from the corner of the tank. Once detached, the tank is ready to be removed. Lift the old tank out of position. To drain any remaining water, tip it upside down into a sink. Place the new tank into position and remove the white protective caps. Screw the new inlet hose into the corner fitting, typically located on the left-hand side. This is the green connection. Insert the silicone tube into the center port on the top of the tank. Ensure there are no kinks or excess tubing, as this may affect tap performance. Secure the silicone tube in place using a pinch clip. Use long nose pliers or any suitable pliers to ensure a firm grip. Turn the tap handle to begin filling the tank. Water will begin flowing from the spout once the tank is full. Wait until it's completely filled before switching on the power. It's recommended to check for any leaks from either of the inlets or outlets. Continue to draw off 1 to 2 litres of water to eliminate any air from the system and flush through the system. It may help to gently rock the tank and filter housing to bring any air out whilst the tap is running. Switch the tank on using the middle button. Use the right-hand side to select your preset temperature and confirm using the button on the left. You'll see the red arc at the top begin to move. This indicates the tank is heating. The actual temperature will be displayed as it rises. And that's it. Your instant hot water tank has been successfully replaced.